Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, I'm going to show you how to adjust these roof racks. What you want to do is loosen these two nuts up. You can do that on this side and over here on this side. And we can loosen these two up on the passenger side as well. And we can slide these. Once these are all loose, you can slide them where you need to put them. If you have a bike rack or if you're doing kayaks or something, you can move them forward or back. And we can tighten them down. Same with the front. Snug those down. Tighten these ones down as well. You don't want to tighten them too tight, just snug, because you still want to be able to loosen them up in the future. And you're good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.